it is given if x and y are real numbers such that x square plus x minus 2y minus 1 the whole square is equal to minus 4y into x plus y. So the value of x minus 2y is questioned here. So I'm going to rewrite this equation, bringing all the variables to one side, plus 4y into x plus y will be equal to 0. So I'm going to multiply this 4y, x minus 2y minus 1 the whole square plus 4xy plus 4y square is equal to 0. And combining these two part, so I can write this as x plus 2y the whole square plus x minus 2y minus 1 the whole square. And square of any numbers will be positive, and sum of any two positive number to be 0. The individual term should be equal to 0. So x plus 2y should be equal to 0. Similarly, x minus 2y minus 1 should also be equal to 0. So from this I can write that x minus 2y is equal to 1, and that is the value being questioned here. So the answer for this question is 1.